Yes, greetings, greetings. Let's start what we have come in the room to do. We have to get the interpenetration curve here and the end view. So we'll start with the end view. It starts a 45-degree line here. To produce the end view, we're going to have a 45-degree line here. And we're going to draw the end view. We produce lines from the plan. This circle here is right. Now that we have our end view, this is obviously we're gonna have to copy this center line. Right, we have to get the interpenetration curve here. If you have PVC pipes at home, you'd realize that once the pipes are the same size, you're gonna get what appears to be a straight line from here to here, here to here. But once the cylinders are of different sizes, you have to get the interpenetration curve. So the first thing to do is to divide the circle into 12. Let's go with divide. Divide is here. Divide the circle. Enter. Number of segments 12. Right. So what you do is, once you have those divisions there, just carry across these lines. Right, what you do is you draw a semicircle here. Or you could draw a whole circle, not a problem. Draw a whole circle here. Let's trim in the example you will see numbers here, but this point is in the center here, which is at the top of the figure. So if you are, let's use an X construction. We follow this point. This point here is on the elevation, is this point here. So that point would be center point. You come down come across, and if you bring down this point here, that would be here. Now the point after that is, let's say, this point here. This point here would come down to be here, and then you come across. What you will do now is go up from where it cuts the big circle here, and go up to cut the corresponding line. So in other words, you draw a line from the first point going straight across. You would then produce that line down to the 45-degree line. You go across till it touches the circle, and you carry it up. You're making a, could say, a closed circuit. So there's only one point here, and as usual, I like to draw a donut. So this is internal diameter 0.5, external diameter 1. So you're going to put our donut here. We do the same thing again. You draw a line from here, going straight down to the 45-degree line, and go across till it touches the circle. And when it touches the circle, you go up to that line you just drew. It should be here. You then copy your donut here. Let's go again. You have the end point now. You draw a line from the end here down to the 45-degree line and carry it across till it touches the circle, which is on the edge, which should be our furthest point, which comes out to be here. So you're going to copy our donut now. Copy our donut here. You do the same thing with the points on the other side. After that, we come to this one here. We come to this one here. These two lines up. Need to line up, right? This one will line up with this one. So you come with this one, come straight down here, follow it to touch the circle, and you go up, and you will put your donut here. And if you follow this one here, the one after, touch the circle here, go here, and you go up. That would be here. And to ensure that our last one would be on the center line, you come down, the center line touches here, it touches here, and it goes up. The third one would be here. You would then go on spline, go to the outline, and you draw spline the curve. Now to ensure it comes out straight, you could bring this out here. Let's enter, and you trim off the excess piece here. Now, very important when you're doing this is to label the diagram. Please label the diagram. Single line text. This is the, hey, yes, sexy text from. We go annotate. Let's go to annotate. What happened, man? Annotate. Oh, on the standard text, my bad. Right, this should be it.